When browsing the Moore Giles theme, you may notice that the default variants which are selected may vary depending on the category which is being viewed. For example, here within the bestsellers category, the modern saddle variant is selected by default for the Benedict leather weekend bag. If we scroll down the page, we can see another example of this with the Bell picnic tote, where the Titan milled honey variant is displayed by default. This is accomplished in combination with Trellis's custom swatching functionality using BigCommerce's metafields for categories and variants. If we inspect the metafield configuration for the bestseller category, we can see that the bestseller category has a pre-selected variant matches metafield. The value of this metafield is category default bestsellers true, which means for each product that belongs to the category, the first variant, which has a metafield named category default bestsellers with a value of true, will be displayed by default. If we inspect the Bell picnic tote and look specifically at the Titan milled honey variant, we can see that this variant has a metafield named category default bestsellers with a value of true, which is why this variant is selected by default for the bestseller category. This flexible implementation allows Moore Giles not only to select bestsellers as the default within the bestseller category, but they can select sale products by default within sale categories, or use any other logic they like to determine the default variants which are selected within other categories throughout the website. Trellis accomplished this functionality using native BigCommerce features such as category metafields and variant metafields, in addition to theme customizations made with GraphQL. No third-party apps were required to build either the swatching functionality or the functionality which determines the logic defining which variants are selected by default.